Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to delete a shared album from your iPhone. So if you no longer need a shared album, then just follow along. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone, then tap the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll down to Shared Album section and open the albums you want to delete. And if you created the shared album, then tap the People button at the top of the screen and scroll down and then tap Delete Shared Album. Then you need to confirm your choice when prompted. If someone else created the album and you simply want to remove it from your account, tap the People button and choose Unsubscribe or Leave Shared Album if that option is available. You need to keep in mind that deleting a shared album you created removes it for all participants. So that was how to create a shared album from your iPhone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.